Hey, this your man Bonte 83 for Successful Convicts, and today I'm about to put y'all up on this nice hustle. Now, it's been around for ages, but a lot of people seem to just look past it. It's fall season, it's finna get cold, so you're not gonna be able to be outdoors and doing all the fun stuff that you love to do, even if you just did it for fun or if you did it for profit. But now it's about to get cold. If you're in the Midwest states like I am, then you know it gets really cold and you don't want to be outside, especially if you got to be outside for survival or trying to get money, which, you know, getting money is survival. But I'm about to put you up on this before it gets too cold. This is a nice little smooth hustle that I myself do. I partake in it. It's very lucrative because, as you know, kids want to be in the house on computers. They not outside hustling no more. So okay, it's your man Bonte 83. You see the name, you see the face. And you already know I'm representing Successful Convicts. But today we taking it outside. As you see, I'm out of my yard. You see that money on the ground? You don't see it? This right here is money on the ground. Money on the ground, ladies and gentlemen. You see that? If you got a huge yard like mine, it's one of the things that you don't want to come out here and get up. That's where we come in, Successful Convicts, because we don't want to go back to prison for doing something stupid, because there's a lot of street money out here, but we already know street money don't last. Now me, I've upgraded my equipment. I'm a little bit more advanced in the game, but you don't need upgraded equipment. Nope. See, I got the backpack blower. This was about $400. I got the leaf catcher on the back of my lawnmower, the big one. As you see, it's 3 different bags. And this attachment itself was $400. And then, of course, the ride lawnmower, which can range from anywhere from a couple $100 used to a couple $1,000 brand new. So today I'm gonna take y'all with me so y'all can watch me hustle. Now, this particular yard in my neck of the woods, I was charging, this is like my 3rd year doing this customer, and I was charging them $80 for the yard. Pretty level yard, not too complicated, but he wants it done weekly because where he lives, the city gets on them if their yard gets a certain height. So rather than do it itself and have to deal with that, he pays me to do it. So I just went because everything else went up. So I went from $80 to $90 this year, which, you know, with prompt service, he has no problem doing it. And it's many people out here that wants the same thing done to their yard because, like I said, either they don't have the time or the one to do it themselves. So that's where we come in. Now, of course, our mission wouldn't be complete without gas. So as you see, I just spent, I don't know if you can see that, I just spent $15.61 on gas. So now as we see at my destination, leaves, it's all the leaves falling off the trees, but still more on the trees. This is a good thing because it means we'll be back to get those. So we got all these. And it goes over. Over here. You got this tree, which, like I said, is still falling. Go down there, all the way down to the front. So this your man Bont 83 for Successful Convicts. You see I got the Successful Convicts face mask on. Just finished this job. Want to show you how I look now. So, I mean the leaves still coming down. But as you see, got the tree, under the tree rather. And then like I said, they still coming down, so. But, as you see, looks good. Definitely tell I was here. Hey, so there you have it. Nice, dirty hustle. Clean money, you get dirty though. It's dirty, it's outdoors, it's not that bad. Could be worse. And it don't take a whole lot of equipment to do. Because like I said, you could basically start out, these are the things you're gonna need. You're gonna need a rake, you're gonna need some bags, you're gonna need a lawnmower with a bagger. So what you want to do, if you're going to use the lawnmower, if you're going to, or you can go old school, you can go at it with just a rake and a shovel. I mean, the opportunity is more than one way to skin a cat, but get those leaves up. Get those leaves up and get that money, because there's a lot of elderly people in every neighborhood. There's a lot of lazy people in every neighborhood, and there's leaves in every neighborhood. And the good thing about it, God is so great, he blows the leaves and puts them down for you to get. Now, if you got a lawnmower, like I said, so many ways you can go about it. You ain't got to get the leaves up. You can just mulch them. Some people just like the leaves chopped up, because what happens is they turn into dirt, which is good for the soil for the next coming spring and summer. So that's just a hustle. Don't say your man Bont 83 and put you up on it. Don't be complaining you broke. Get out there and get your credit fixed too.